Hello friend, today we are going to make a project Task Agent API. In this, we first have to log in with our IITM ID to this link. After this, we first have to install the Docker desktop and Podman. I am on Windows, so I will install it for Windows. You can install for your system also. For Podman, you have two options. One is version 1.16.0. If we install that one, then also we have to install version 5.32.0. So install the second one, which is 5.32.0 instead. Okay, now let's make a repo on GitHub. I am using Task Agent API for this repo name. You can name it as you want. Okay, now let's clone the repo in our system using git clone and the link of that repo. After cloning this repo into your system, now just make a virtual environment using Python -n venv venv and then you name it as myenv. Activate the virtual environment using myenv slash scripts slash activate. I am using it for PowerShell. Okay, after this, put your AI proxy token into .env file. Let's make main.py file. This import requests. So now I'm going to take my AI proxy.py file, which I have created in a video in AI playlist. You can check it out. Now install requests using pip install requests. Okay, now we need to import the AI proxy token key into our main.py file. As I'm not using python.env library, you can use this method also. So let's just write it quickly. Okay, you can do this block easily, I guess. We'll make a file get packages.py and in that one we will grab all the Python packages by using a simple API. So this is the site where we can get all the Python packages. So let's copy it and put it over in this file. So URL equal to this, and we have to make a call on this URL. So URL def get packages, and you put URL and make a request. So packages equals to request dot get and the URL. So you pass the URL. Now after this, you just make a with open and let first check if packages dot status code equal to 100, then we will fetch them. So with open and packages dot txt comma w plus to append it as well. Now for package in packages file dot write str of package. In the end, we do file dot close. Else print we cannot fetch it right now. Oh, all are these in a anchor tab. So we have to use beautiful soup. Okay.
I will find all the anchors and then we'll put into this. So let me just respond and I also will put respond. Now after this, packages is the list and we do a dot text for a in we have to make a soup. So for that soup it is also beautiful soup and the marker. So for that we need a response and HTML dot parser. So let me set up. Now in this beautiful soup instance, we have to pass response and the type is HTML dot parser. We will get this and we want to find all the A tags. So soup dot find all and then we have A. Okay. We can also put here A dot text dot strips. Okay. Okay, we have to install it. Zip install BF4 will take time. Because you are people and other multiple questions about this one. We doesn't have change it to text. So maybe this is why we error. Let me fix it and okay, we get it. Let's make a file function of here in which we will make a function count days. Second will be extract package name. Third will be extract day name. So yeah, okay. We will need to import which we say RE. Yeah. So import RE fast API. Sorry, from fast API import fast API object and HTTP exception. We need OS, so import OS. So from fuzzy import fuzz ratio. Now we will make a instance of fast API. So yeah. We need to make two tasks. One is run slash run and second is slash read. The slash read is used for like get method we are going to use it. So at the rate app dot get and this is slash read def sorry async def read file. So we need to pass a path as a string object and this not a path dot starts with slash start. Then we raise an exception HTTP exception which takes status code 403 which is for forbidden data. So we will do the tail equals to invade their pricing Then we'll check if not of os dot path dot exists this slash sorry path. Then raise HTTP description status code is 404 and the detail is file is not found. Otherwise file is equals to open of path comma r to read this. Okay, and we will file data. Okay, sorry, and that is equal to file dot read and return this. Return on is our content. So this is our get function. Now we'll use activate app dot tools in which have slash run a thing def run task and we do okay, slash oh we have so task str and then this will run task. So yeah, make a model. So we'll use here API proxy. So this is the proxy URL. So let me just copy all of this. Format AI proxy token. We have it. We'll do small task. It is either it can install something or count a day in number of days, or you can just let's see. Okay, we'll put here. Put here. Okay, let's let's check it and put in here. So we just put from maybe now step get task output. So put our main.py file clean. Okay, so we pass our AI proxy token here in this and the URL. So we put it here. I know this is the task. This one request okay, we need to import request also. Request. So this request from functions dot import everything and the task. We just transform it into lowercase and then we will check if found in task output. Sorry, task dot lower. So if task equals to task dot lower and then we'll check if count in task. Then we just run or invoke count the days and days equal to extract day name which takes task as the argument and we pass day into it. Okay. Now let's define these into the functions what we have. So let's just def count days which takes a day, a string name, and we just pass it. Now extract day name, or maybe it is day name, which takes star as argument. Now match is re dot search in it. We check count, then we have hash, okay, and then we just have this w and we do plus. Pass it the task in it if match exists. Then return match dot group and of one. Otherwise return empty string. And same for the extract package name, or you can say package, which take task. And instead of count, we just put install. Okay, only install. Now we just do this one. So we do try and check if we have one slash start slash dates dot txt as file. Now we need to find data equals to file dot readline. Okay, so maybe we can make a day. Let's just put it here, and we make a day value and put it to minus one and a day, which is initialization. And for d in, so we just want to override if d in day, then day value equal to d. Sorry, days of, so day of d and day equal d. And after this, just break. Okay. After this, we have this. Now we just put a count, and count equals to sum of one for line in data if line of STP. Wait. We have imported, so let's import it above. So from date time, import date time, and now exit the delete strip line dot STP. Okay. Wait, date time. FTP with line dot strip dot weekday is a function equal to day value. Then we have a day. So file dot. Now we have to open a file also. So file is equals to open slash the slash, okay, oh god, yeah, count dot format d ay the day. Okay, and then wait a second, just let me and file dot write str of count, and then we just close it. The file dot close, or maybe name it some f, so not to write one, except we get an error. So we get when there is no file in data direct. Try making it. So yeah, okay. Okay, let's just import sub found date lf install in task. Then subprocess dot run, and then we pass this pip install in the package name. We will get it by package name equal to struct package with the task, but we need also a correct package. So package is equal to get correct package name with this package. So we need to make this function in our function provide. So let's make that which take a package name. Obviously. So in this we have to put also a comma or a space maybe. Okay. Now we have to run again stop again. With my voice sorry. Mm, So let's just run for maybe and split it by space. Now we will just use our functions to and get started with the function. Get correct package name as read. Okay, we need to do here encoding also as UTF 8 because I don't know maybe we will get an error. Okay, and we set up packages list this line dot string function. This is a function for line file. Here we need to make a variable data in which we do file dot read dot strip to extract new line characters. Data dot strip that space. Okay. Okay, let's we can understand these are all the packages. Now we need to get the correct size. Okay. Now for package and packages, if first dot ratio of package name comma package is greater than equal to 90, then correct dot update package. And after this, we check if correct, then we check if length of return of 0. Ls equal to maybe get equal to. Then we just return because this is a okay, this I need to put here. So package name if package name. Now in the task is work, so package name will be also work in this function. Package name. So yeah. Now after this, we will do as help. We just return task is recognized but not implemented. In the end, return status structure and task output as task.